Hey there! Thanks for stopping by and checking out our course snippet, taken from the Web Development Masterclass. In our course, we teach the full web development lifecycle, including all the latest web technologies and cloud hosting frameworks. For full course details and registration, please visit the link down below in the info section.
So far, we've worked quite a bit with text data. Our next objective is to insert some images into our document. We've included 4 images in the downloads file pertaining to this lecture. You can use these images or your own set of images. Regardless of which images you use, you must place them in the same folder as your HTML file. This is because we'll be using relative file referencing. We'll explain relative versus absolute file referencing in the next lecture. First, let's start with a heading, and we can place our images under this heading. With our heading created, let's create a paragraph so we have some spacing between our heading and the images that we're going to insert. I'll start by inserting the first image. This is done with the image tag. The image tag has several attributes. For the purpose of this lecture, we use the source attribute, which defines the location of the image. We'll also use the width and height attribute, which defines the size of the image. With our first image created or inserted, let's insert the second image. I'll also specify the width and height of this image. And the third image. The image tag, as you can see, does not require a closing image tag. For the fourth image, we're going to insert an image from the internet. So for the source, we'll be using the URL of the image. This is called an absolute file reference because it includes the full path of the image. And once again, our next lecture is going to talk more about absolute and relative file referencing. So this is an image found on a Wikipedia page. And I'll just specify the width and height as well. Okay, and so we've inserted 4 images. 3 images have a relative file reference. They're located within the same directory as our HTML file. We've specified the width and height of each image. And for the last image, the source is an external web page. So we've included a URL of or a link to the image, and also the width and height as well. So let's go ahead and save this file and preview what it looks like in our web browser. So as you can see, we now have 4 images inserted into our document.